Hello, in this video I want to show you how to select multiple items in your inventory for Baldur's Gate 3. And to do this, let's open our inventory. Now there's two different options to select multiple items, and you can hold Ctrl on your keyboard, then left click on each of the items that you want to select, and you can see that they're highlighted with the white outlines on the item. There's also option to do it by holding a shift, and then first select whichever item you want to start the selection for. So for example, let's select this potion, then we're gonna hold shift and click on this book right here. Now it's selected all items between this potion and this book. We can also right click on it and instantly send all of these items between our party members or sell them with a trader. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.